welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're gonna pick up another damn car. This time, it's gonna be for me. It's gonna be a daily for now, and then I'm gonna build it. It should be fun. I'll see you when I get there, because it's about 2 hours.
Oh, then you put it in the middle, right?
Yeah. Oh, there's all a bunch of different kinds. They're all a pain in the ass. Do not do them, you usually just...
Yeah, and then you push it up. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, man, let me know how it goes.
What's going on, guys? We're back at the house. Got the Subaru over here. Got Eric's FRS there, and then we got mine with the mist and fog light. But we got the Civic home. It was a pain in the ass to push it out this snow, but for what I paid for it, I think it's definitely going to be a great project. So the guy, he told me that the head is fine, and all it did was snap the timing belt. So I'm gonna look everything over, see if the motor's worth keeping and saving. And if not, I'll just throw another D16 Y7 in it, I think. But yeah, there she is. She's dirty, and hopefully you guys look forward to all the content with the Honda now. All right, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.